Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to redeem your One Key Cash on Expedia. So here is the main page from the One Key rewards. So as you can see, you get like these rewards per tier. So you have blue tier, silver, gold and platinum. And how to redeem is actually, take note, two kind of things. So first you can go to your account and then rewards. And here you will see your one key cash and also your progress towards another tier. So your rewards activity you can filter here on hotels.com, Expedia or VRBO. And to go back, actually, this is how you can track and redeem your rewards. So they're easy to track. Just head to your rewards activities. So that's where your account is, what I just showed you. And when you're ready and it's once confirmed, it's your time to use any times. So what you have to consider, just to tell you guys, One Key Cash can be used on US dollars. So if you pay now for a booking, you can actually use it. So that's a way of doing it. For a flight, if you want to use it for a flight, you actually need to cover the entire cost of the flight, including taxes and fees. And you cannot do it with optional extras like checked bags or seat assignments. So you cannot use it for that, but you can only use it if you have enough to cover a full flight. But you can still offer, of course, your seat assignments, for example, after your booking. So, and it cannot be redeemed for cash, and it's not transferable to other members. So if you have a friend, you cannot combine them, and not in another one's name. And if you used to choose a credit card associated with an airline, your credit card benefits may not be passed to the airline. So you can only use this program or your airline loyalty program, but you cannot use it at the same time. So that's actually how to redeem it. So just when you book a flight or a hotel, you can do it in the payout, in the checkout. So that's actually how to do it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below.